Hello and welcome to today's episode of The Helpful Host. In this episode, I'll be showing you how to add a cleaning fee to your Airbnb listing. First, in order to add a cleaning fee, you need to ensure that your listing has been created and published. The cleaning fee is not something you add in the initial setup of your listing, so if you've not published it yet, you will need to do this in order for the cleaning fee option to show in your listing settings. You will need to get to the listing you wish to add a cleaning fee to. Click on Host and then choose Listings from the drop-down menu. You will then be taken to your listings. Choose Edit beside the listing you wish to set up a cleaning fee for, and then you'll be taken to that specific listing settings. From your listing settings, choose Pricing and then scroll down to the Extra Charges section and select Edit. Now all there is left to do is enter a cleaning fee amount in the appropriate box and then choose Save. There you have it. You now have a cleaning fee set for your listing. You can also check to ensure your cleaning fee is showing on your listing by scrolling up and choosing Preview Listing. Enter some dates that are available in your calendar and your cleaning fee will show in the price breakdown that a guest would see. There are a few things to know about a cleaning fee. The first is that the cleaning fee is only charged on reservations where you had a cleaning fee set up when the guest booked. Guests who have already booked where there was no cleaning fee set up would not have to pay this fee. Also, it is important that if you are sending a special offer to a guest, you need to include the cleaning fee in the amount of the special offer you send to the guest. Finally, if there is an alteration to a reservation, the cleaning fee will be included in the payout, but it is important to note that it will not be broken out as a cleaning fee, but will be rolled into the final amount in your payout. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Please also comment below if you have any questions or let me know any other topics you would like covered in future videos. Please also subscribe to this channel to be notified when other Helpful Host videos are released. All the best and happy hosting!